Yo! What's going on mga bossing? Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. At your service, Alvin. So, here we go again and we're going to unbox another cool Kaiser, which is the Patkaiser. So, this robot or mecha or sword is from the Sentai series Keisatsu Sentai Pat Ranger. So they keep on getting this like a three rangers only, not 5. So I think that's how they keep on creating series like this, having a 5 rangers. So this time it's only 3, and this is also part of my toy haul from Facebook Marketplace. So this is the 4th one and the last one. So hopefully 2023 will bring me more luck na maka-score tayo ng mga Sentai robot from local distributors or local resellers, which don't need to, pay more for shipping and success, of course. This is from Facebook Marketplace. So, if you wanna watch mga bossing yung previous mga toys natin nabuksan at mga toy haul from Marketplace ng mga Sentai robot, just check out my playlist and you can find it there. So, let's go mga bossing. What are we waiting for? Of course, let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
ご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Okay, here we go, my bossing. Our 4th installment from my Marketplace toy haul. So let's go. Let's take it out. The Patkaiser TX. So this is part of the Lupine Kaiser 2 that we unboxed recently. Okay, so it comes another. So it comes again with the card like this. So this one is from the Lupine Kaiser. So yeah, so basically they're just the same. So hopefully guys, if you know what's this for, please comment down below, let me know. I really appreciate that. So, and as we can see, they still have the logo of the 45th anniversary of the Sentai here. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so this one also comes with a good striker, same as the Lupine Kaiser that we unboxed recently. So now we got the police squadron. So Lupine is the, those are the thieves. So those are the stealing squadron. So okay, so let's take it out one by one. Okay, so we got 4 pieces of vehicles here. Okay, so I think we need another. So the taping looks tight. So let's see. Can take it out easily. Okay, here we go, my bossing. As usual, we got the good striker here. And we got the trigger machine 1, the trigger machine 2, and the trigger machine 3. So, okay, let's start with the trigger machine 1. Okay, so they got the police badge here. So this is the Lupine Ranger versus the police squadron. So yeah, really nice. So this is 27 release, made in Thailand. Glad not to see it made in China. So oops, pretty cool. Nice. This one, nice. Some special action powder. Okay, the trigger machine too. Nice. Really cool. And there's some plastic also here, plastic wheels. Okay, can bend it. Okay, trigger machine 3. Okay. Let's see what surprise they have here. So the wheels, plastic. Yeah, I think this part is kind of rubber material. So let's trigger. Oh, there you go. This one, what can it do? This one looks something, but okay, so far nothing cool going on. So there's a lot of labels going on here. That's nice, nice. Okay. And a good structure, like the whole body of the Kaiser robot, the sword. Okay, let's take it out. Let's hear some cool sounds. Okay, so let's combine them together.
怪盗人事警察戦士
新番組怪盗戦隊ルパンレンジャー vs 警察戦隊パトレンジャー
Start with the trigger machine 1. Okay, there you go, mga bossings. Now in full transformation. So this time we did not put this down. At syempre, and as always, there's nothing much here. So unlike the Lupine Kaiser, you can have you can still there's still some articulation in the arms, but this one, there's no articulations here, just that one. So you can put it around 360, and of course the head is still hiding inside. So, but overall still the quality of the plastic and the color still good, and the design fantastic. So there you go, mga bossing. So we complete the 4 installment of my Paybook's toy haul Sentai robot. So there you go. Thank you for watching, my bossing. If you still want to watch the other 3, I put the link in the description down below. Please check it out. And if you're not a subscriber yet, you just watch here. Please help me. Subscribe now, smash the subscribe buttons, click the notification bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.